Hey guys, today I'm going to share about a job in a company called Society Generali. So let's jump into the video. So as soon as you open a browser, visit our website. So once the website is loaded, just open the first job, which is specialist software engineer. This role requires 0 to 3 years, which means fresher can apply for this job. This job is in Bangalore. So let's open the job. So if you want to apply for this job, click on apply for job and click on the link here. So agree and close. So this is the job, guys, we are discussing about. Specialist software engineer, Python and Neo4j is what they need. The job is in Bangalore and it's a permanent role under IT information technology team. So what exactly these guys needs to do is, these guys needs to develop and support the referential applications, interaction and regular communication with on-site partners for clarification, ensure adherence to defined procedures, provide inputs to improve work procedures that can enhance overall team performance, staff training and development, develop and maintain an efficient governance structure, maintain long-term collaborative relationship with key stakeholders, promote cooperation and commitment within the team towards the attainment of common goals, and they need Postgres MySQL. So here the spelling might be wrong, I'm not sure. And if we can scroll down, what kind of profile they are looking for, they need a candidate who have 0 to 3 years of experience, should have knowledge on OOPS, any database language like SQL, and should have a detailed analytical skills. Okay, should be a very good team player. Okay, should be ready to work on development and support activities. So every engineer can do that. Should have knowledge on SDLC life cycle, agile methodology, CI/CD tools. Okay, and yep. So these are some sort of requirements that they need. So coming to the salary, standard salary recommendation, they did not mention any, so I'm suggesting some salary. So this role usually requires 0 to 3 years of experience. That means and consider Bangalore as a location and the job is into IT. That means they have a high budget for this role. But in this company I have gone through couple of analysis, and for let's assume you are a fresher, you can demand like 6 years 6 LPA of salary, and let's say you have 3 years of experience, this company can pay up to 14 LPA. So these are my standard salary recommendation, guys, which is 6 to 14 LPA is the standard salary for this job as a fresher. But yeah, it's a great salary to start your career as a fresher in an IT company. So let's see how it goes. Let's click on apply. Once I have clicked on apply, it is asking me to create an account, if I'm not wrong. It's asking me to log in. Okay, you can create a profile using Google or LinkedIn, or create your own profile here, and it will ask a lot of details. Feel free to fill them, and after filling all the details, it will ask you to upload your resume. Then you can apply for the job. And then let's see what other jobs are in this company. So basically this is a fintech company. These people provide some sort of financial analysis. So there are almost 792 jobs in India in this company. So from associate level to architect level, or some higher levels as well. Let's see some roles. So some roles are specialist software engineer DevOps Java, lead software engineer Java, analyst in Chennai, analyst in Bangalore, India. I'll give standard salary recommendation for these roles. So first job, same for 0 to 3 years of experience, 6 to 14 LPA is what I recommend. but maybe these folks can pay you more as well, depending upon their budget. And the same thing applies for here as well, 6 to 14 LPA depending upon the experience. And for lead software engineer Java, I recommend my standard salary recommendation as at least 23 LPA depending upon the experience that you have and the skill set, because this is a lead software engineer role. This is not an a basic role. And for both the analysts, let me check a job description once and I'll confirm. So this has something to do with finance people. So these people did not mention much about experience and other stuff. But coming to profile requirements, these people need MS tools knowledge of market analysis, Bloomberg, experience on investment banking domain, and overall experience in net asset value calculation. So probably this job is a better fit for MBA folks. So on that case, my standard salary recommendation for this role is greater than 9 LPA if you have more than 2 years of experience. For less than 2 years of experience, I don't want to recommend anything, because I'm not really much aware of fintech companies. I mean finance roles. So that's it, guys. Take a look at 792 jobs if you have patience. And yep, I think you like the video. If you have liked the video, just like my video in the channel, and comment in the comment in the comment section if you need more jobs, and subscribe to my video channel for more future videos. And please feel free to share with your friends who are looking for jobs. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.